Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach and today we are back again with another Brap box unboxing for December of 2018, the last one of the year. Now if you guys don't know what Brap box is, it is a monthly subscription service where you pay a set fee and then every month you get a little something in the mail. There are different levels that you can subscribe to depending on how much you want to spend per month, but this one is the full package. You can also buy the t-shirts found in the Brap box on brap-box.com. That's also where you subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description below. But to be sure that you get every single shirt, you are going to want to subscribe because the shirts kind of come and go on the store. So, for those unfamiliar, this is how the Brap boxes come. They are rotor-shaped boxes for rotary fans, and we'll be getting into the contents right now. So, the first thing we find in the box is a note from Brap box themselves. It says, "Thank you for your order. Team Brap Box wants to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Do you currently own or drive a rotary-powered vehicle? We now offer Mitsu Rotary Engine Premix. 2019 is here and we're working on setting up our parts store, starting with maintenance products, brakes, hoses, hydraulics, and much more." So, a little Merry Christmas from the team at Brap Box, which is super nice. They are planning on expanding their store, so if you don't see something on there that you want now, just wait. Next up, we get these sweet Dunlop Brap box air fresheners. I'll get one open now, see what they smell like. It's a little lemony. It just kind of smells clean, I guess. But super cool. I put all of my air fresheners on my cooler that I bring to car shows, so this will fit right in. And you get 2 of these in the box. Next up, we have 2 smaller pieces of the box. We have a sticker, I'll show a close-up here, of the Rotary Power Repu pickup truck in a nice green color. And then we also have the matching small button to go with it. You get 2 of each, so you get 2 small buttons and 2 small stickers. Which leads us to the final part of this Brap box unboxing, which is the shirt. This is the December of 2018 Brap box shirt. It is a racing Repu, or rotary engine pickup truck, which, speaking of which, my friend just picked one up a couple months ago, and so hopefully next year, when he has it out, I will be filming one of my getting to know videos of the Repu. So if you guys want to learn more about the Repus, stay tuned, because I should be having one of those videos up later. But it is this nice, it's almost like a tannish color, which I really like. I really like that Brap box doesn't just give black t-shirts, because I think every single car company just makes black t-shirts. It's kind of annoying. That being said, I also like the fact that they are focusing on older rotaries. I think a lot of companies focus on the FD and the RX-8, but we have an old rotary power t-shirt featuring a Repu, which this is probably one of my favorite shirts that Brap box has done. I wore it all day yesterday as soon as I got it, which, speaking of which, this Brap box actually came on Christmas Eve, so that was really cool. Fun little Christmas gift there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you guys aren't subscribed to Brap box, I would highly consider it. If you guys are big rotary fans, you get a t-shirt every month, you get some stickers, some pins, and other offers like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.
Aside from my soul.